Most people think the internet is above us, in the satellites. Wrong. Satellites are too slow and too far away. If you wanted to actually touch the internet, you'd have to go to the bottom of the ocean and find a thick, black cable. Because the internet isn't a cloud. It's a massive network of the world's longest cables. These cables are fiber optics. They act like tunnels made of mirrors. When you send a message, your computer turns it into laser flashes. This light races inside the glass, bouncing off the walls so fast that it could circle the Earth in the fraction of a second. Your photo is basically just a series of super fast laser shots. But a laser can send the whole photo at once. That would be like trying to push an elephant through the keyhole. So the internet performs a trick. It shreds your photo into millions of data packets. Each packet is a short code, 1 flash or 0 darkness. These billions of flashes travel across the ocean separately, and only meet up in your friend's phone, where they resemble back into the picture. How does it get into your phone without a wire? Your router is basically a translator. It takes the lasers from the wall cables and turns them into radio waves. It's like the router is shouting across the house in an invisible alphabet. Hey phone, here's the first part of the photo. Your phone hears it, writes it down, and shows you the final image. Wi-Fi is just a radio conversation between the router and your phone. The internet is just lasers in glass tubes underwater and invisible radio in your home. Simple? If you want to understand the world straight from the paper, subscribe. See ya!